There's nothing better on a sunny day than a walkie round the bay to Girlness, and here's a corner folk with bairns fi Walker Road School. Fit's a going on.
Fits it to trip it over.
Jeez, gives a lookie. It's a net. It must come off with Roller Royale.
What's it about to say?
There's nets like that on the goals up Pataudry for the Don's play. I've seen them there.
If Don net had come frae Pataudry, it must have been frae the hame end, or the holes in it frae bars hitting the back of the net, then the awa team score.
I'm needing to keep it. My mother wouldn't mind me taking it home.
I ken your mother, and she would hear fit of the heebie-jeebies if you brought on everything into her house.
We could tack it down to the sannies and hin it up to sort the holes. But you'll hate to carry it down there yourself. I'm nae lugging it all that way.
You're pecking already and you're nagging on a distance.
You could I give a hand.
I suppose that thing has a name, is it?
Aye, look at it. What does it remind you of?
I dinna can, but it's the same as that other pier back here.
No, it's nae. This is nae stretched. It's bent in the middle like a one-string fiddle. Does it nae look like a banana to you?
But it's not yellow.
It's maybe nae yellow, but it's fairly bent.
What's that thing?
Those things cried a capstan. They was used to pole boats in and out of the harbour. And there's a man of fate is fickering with it.
What's he doing?
Farkane's fate is doing, but you could get over and spear at him.
What long thing you have there, mister?
It's a wooden stave that money is used to push to turn the capstan and make an aim for the Torry Heritage Group. And seeing you're here, you can lend a hand, hold it up, see if it fits. Nays, it's needing more effort.
Is that thing easy to work?
I ain't you've been doing it a few years, but you have to watch and they chop your days off it.
Can you tell us if that thing is across the harbour?
Aye, that's fitty over there. It's off a grand nowadays, but it was eens just like old Torry. No, it was war, for they would bile the whale blubber there. The stink would be yeoman through the whole place.
We'd better get up the road, for it's looking like rain, and I'm nae wanting to get wet.
But we will scan to mend the nets.
I'll fuck it up. We can get into the old Torry Community Centre.
Is it alright to come in here?
Aye, come on. Fit's out you've got in a hoodoo.
Here's a net we found. Can you set it for us, please?
Mighty, those guy blootered. What you been dealing with? Catching steens? Ah, dinna fuss yourself. There's never a net that canna be mended.
Dinna put off till another day, writing your memories of your old folks, their lives and their spick, and about others you kent, and each you played with, and a bairn in places that's no longer there.